Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe, this candy making, which is chocolate fudge. Chocolate fudge is pretty simple to make. Sometimes it's finicky when you don't use the correct milk. Like sweetened condensed milk will make a great fudge, as well as evaporated milk. Other than that, sometimes I would find failure in making when it's not using evaporated or sweetened condensed milk. Let's say peanut butter fudge, I often fail, or just brown sugar fudge, the old fashioned, because it requires a lot of stirring or whisking or stirring, and I don't really like that. Anyways, this chocolate fudge is easy to make, and you can add any nuts you like, and you can even omit the nuts, just the fudge it is, as is. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! What I have here is 1 2/3 cup of sugar. It sounds plenty. Of course, this is fudge, it's candy, but of course you don't eat the whole tray yourself. So this is 1 2/3 cup of sugar with 2/3 cup of evaporated milk. That's the secret ingredients. It seems like whenever I make with evaporated milk and sweetened condensed milk, my fudge always turns out beautifully. So this is again 2/3 cup of evaporated milk with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and also super generous pinch of fancy salt, maybe about half teaspoon. So we're just gonna bring this to rolling boil until everything melted and combined nicely. So this is only on medium heat, not high heat, just so that everything melted, and we're gonna bring this to a rolling boil and boil it for like 4 to 5 minutes until you see that it's thickening. Again, this is on medium heat, so you want to stir this quite often, continuously stirring. And again, this is for 4 to 5 minutes, sorry, until the mixtures thicken. Now after 5 minutes, take it off from heat, and we're gonna add in 2 cups of mini marshmallow and 1.5 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, or you can use milk chocolate chips or sweet chocolate chips, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, Mexican vanilla. And you want to just keep stirring it until everything melted and mixed together. And then we're gonna add also about 100 grams, sorry, of flavored almonds. Just keep mixing until all of this marshmallow melted and combined with melted chocolate. So just keep stirring. Now we're gonna add our almond and stir again. You can use other nuts you like of your preference, walnuts, pistachio, pecans, but I'm using almond today. Or you don't even have to add nuts. Once it's mixed, we're gonna pour the mixture onto our prepared pan. Just line a square pan with parchment paper and spread the fudge evenly. Once spread evenly on the baking pan, leave it to cool to room temperature before you chill it for 4 hours or overnight. After chilling in the fridge for 4 hours at least to overnight, now it's ready to be sliced and served.